mrbeast is Jimmy Donaldson, aka mrbeast, is a YouTuber known for his viral challenges, charity work, and massive philanthropic giveaways. Born on May 7, 1998, in Kansas, he's one of the most influential figures in the digital world, with over 200 million subscribers on YouTube. Introduction to the theme ***. This story chronicles the evolution of Jimmy from his humble beginnings to his rise as one of the most well-known creators globally. The focus is on his determination, creativity, and generosity that shaped him into the mrbeast we know today. Part 1: Early Life and Beginnings, Before YouTube, ***. Background on his childhood ***. Born and raised in Greenville, North Carolina, Jimmy was raised by his mother and stepfather. He showed an early interest in business and entertainment, even though he was never particularly outgoing as a child. Introduction to YouTube ***. At 11 years old, Jimmy created his first YouTube channel, mrbeast 6000. Early content consisted of Let's Play gaming videos, and it wasn't until years later that he would begin to find his true calling. Early struggles ***. His early journey on YouTube was difficult. For years, he posted videos without gaining significant traction. His passion for YouTube grew despite this, and he spent countless hours learning about content creation, improving his editing, and trying new formats. Part 2: The Turning Point, The Challenge Videos, 2017, ***. The viral moment ***. In 2017, Jimmy decided to create a video where he counted to 100,000. This video was long, experimental, and simple, but it was unlike anything anyone had seen. It was this video that marked the turning point in his YouTube career. The rise in subscribers ***. After the 100,000 count video, his channel started gaining momentum. He found an audience that appreciated his unique, out-of-the-box challenges. Creative risk-taking ***. Jimmy quickly began making bigger and crazier videos, such as Last to Leave Circle Wins 10,000, which combined humor, extreme challenges, and prizes for the participants. This format would become a staple of his channel. Part 3: Expanding the Concept, The Growth of mrbeast, 2018 to 2019, ***. Challenges and Philanthropy ***. As mrbeast's channel grew, Jimmy started incorporating philanthropy into his videos. He would give away large sums of money, cars, houses, and more to random people, friends, or charities. This combination of entertaining content and genuine giving made him stand out from the rest of the YouTube crowd. Giveaway videos ***. One of the key components of his channel was the viral nature of his giveaways. Jimmy's team would organize massive projects like 1 million giveaway or Last Person to Leave $800,000 mansion wins. These videos went viral because of their larger-than-life prizes, and people began recognizing Jimmy as a creator who wasn't afraid to spend big to make a difference. Collaborations with other creators ***. During this period, Jimmy started collaborating with other prominent YouTubers, which expanded his audience even further. He also started forming his signature team, including Chris, Chandler, and others, who would regularly appear in his videos. Part 4: Scaling Up Beyond YouTube, 2020 to 2022. MrBeast brand expansion. As MrBeast's success skyrocketed, Jimmy began scaling his content even further. His challenges became grander and more innovative. He started experimenting with larger-scale projects, such as recreating Squid Game in real life, building the world's largest Lego tower, and launching a massive outdoor game show with incredible cash prizes. MrBeast Burger *. In December 2020, Jimmy launched MrBeast Burger *, a virtual restaurant that allowed customers to order food through delivery apps. This was an innovative move, blending his YouTube fame with the food industry, and quickly grew to hundreds of locations across the US. Philanthropy at a new level *. One of MrBeast's most notable initiatives was Team Seas, which aimed to remove 30 million pounds of trash from the world's oceans. The campaign, backed by YouTubers like Mark Rober, raised millions of dollars for ocean cleanup efforts, showcasing Jimmy's growing commitment to global causes. Part 5: The Impact of MrBeast's Philanthropy MrBeast's charitable initiatives Beyond the Team Seas campaign, Jimmy has donated millions to charity. His organized food drives, helped homeless shelters, supported cancer research, and funded education for underprivileged children. Revolutionizing philanthropy on YouTube *. What sets MrBeast apart from other influencers is his ability to integrate philanthropy with entertainment in a way that attracts millions of views. His giving back videos aren't just about donations, they're about making a real impact on people's lives. The Beast Philanthropy the channel *. In 2020, MrBeast launched his Beast Philanthropy channel, a non-profit arm of his brand dedicated to food banks, shelters, and relief efforts. Through this initiative, Jimmy's team has worked to feed millions of people in need. The global reach MrBeast's charitable works have reached far beyond the United States. His videos and initiatives have inspired fans and creators worldwide to participate in global movements and social causes. Part 6: Behind the Scenes, The Business of MrBeast MrBeast's team Jimmy's YouTube empire isn't just about him, it's about the team that makes everything happen. Chris, Chandler, Carl, and others have been instrumental in creating the content that has made MrBeast famous. They are involved in the planning, filming, and execution of each video. The financial model *. Jimmy spends millions of dollars on each video he produces. However, he makes money from sponsorships, ad revenue, and brand deals, which he reinvests into future projects. This approach has led to exponential growth as MrBeast continues to put his money where his mouth is. MrBeast's unique approach to content *. One of the reasons behind MrBeast's success is his approach to content creation. His videos are highly planned, meticulously edited, and consistently deliver massive rewards for participants and viewers alike. His commitment to producing high-quality content at scale has made him a staple in the YouTube community. Part 7: The Future of Mr. Beast, 2023 and Beyond, ***. Upcoming projects ***. As of 2023, Mr. Beast is working on even larger projects, including his plans to expand internationally with the opening of Mr. Beast burger locations worldwide. Additionally, he's exploring the possibility of creating a YouTube-inspired amusement park and further advancing his philanthropic goals. Continued impact on YouTube culture ***. Mr. Beast has not only revolutionized the way content is created, but also the way creators engage with their audiences. His unique mix of entertainment, challenge content, and philanthropy has raised the bar for other YouTubers, encouraging a new generation of creators to think bigger and more creatively. A lasting legacy ***. Mr. Beast's ultimate goal is to inspire others to be generous and make an impact. His legacy will likely continue for decades as he inspires both creators and fans to believe in the power of kindness, giving, and dreaming big. Conclusion ***. The power of one individual ***. The story of Mr. Beast is a story of one person's incredible journey. From humble beginnings, through struggles, triumphs, and challenges, Jimmy Donaldson has turned his YouTube channel into a worldwide phenomenon. But beyond the fame, Mr. Beast's true success lies in his ability to make a real difference in the world. A call to action ***. Jimmy's journey proves that anyone, no matter their background, can achieve greatness with passion, hard work, and a little bit of kindness. Whether you're a creator or someone who simply enjoys watching videos, you can learn from his example of generosity, perseverance, and creativity. Conclusion outro ***. A final reflection on his influence ***. As Mr. Beast continues to make waves in both the digital and real world, his story is far from over. His legacy is being built not only through entertainment but through his incredible acts of charity and the positive example he sets for others. And with his continuous growth, there's no telling how far he will go. Did you enjoy this story? Like the video and comment. Subscribe channel. See you the next video. Have a nice day.